Hey, it's Kyle Battis from NH Strategic Marketing. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the difference between DIY, do-it-yourself sites and professionally designed websites. So let's dive right in. First, a quick little bit about us. We've been marketing online since 1999. We founded NH Strategic Marketing in 2012, and we have hundreds of clients in over 14 different states. And we really specialize in helping our small business clients grow their businesses. And what we do, we're a full service digital marketing agency. We offer online marketing consulting where we do website design for our clients, search engine optimization, and pay-per-click advertising campaigns for our clients. So, what are DIY websites? They're templated sites built on platforms requiring little to no web design experience. They're typically like drag and drop site builders, and they're pretty sites. They're easy to use, and so that's definitely a benefit of like some of these different platforms. And I won't name any names, but some of these there's a lot of different options, and you can build a site that looks good. But pretty sites, that don't rank well, and are missing what they need under the hood, are not going to help your business out. And I use this analogy all the time of, like, you could have a beautiful car that from the outside looks great. It's got a nice paint job on it, put some nice rims on it. But if you open up under the hood of the car and there's no engine, that car is not going anywhere. The same thing is true of a website, okay? And that's one of my biggest gripes with some of these DIY website platforms is they typically don't rank well in Google, okay? So why do people choose DIY websites? If you're just getting started in business and you need a super simple website where you don't have any online presence and you're looking to get an online presence, it can be a good option. It can be an option for those who think they can't afford a real website. And for those people that think professional websites cost too much, okay? When is it time for a professional website? And when I say professional website, I'm talking about like a custom built website built from the ground up to serve your business needs, okay? So when your business is grown and it needs to reflect that, then it might be time to consider a professional website. When businesses are looking to organically rank in the search engines, maybe they've had a DIY website for a year, 2 years, and it's served its purpose, but they're not getting anything out of their website. They're not getting any phone calls. They're not getting any traffic. They're not getting any leads or customers from their website. Then it's probably time to kind of make the switch to a professional website that actually has the potential to rank in Google. And when a business is ready to invest in a solid web presence that accurately reflects who they are, what they do, and ranks in Google to attract customers, that's when you should be thinking about it. Okay, so the benefits of a professional website design, especially done by yours truly and our team, we do advanced web hosting, we do competitive research and analysis, we do daily backups on the site, we do a free SSL certificate, we can help you dial in the messaging, we can help you write the content that's actually going to rank in Google, and do some of that search engine optimization work, adding the title tags, meta descriptions, all the needed work that needs to go on underneath the hood of the website to actually get it to rank. We had a client, I just had a check-in call with her the other day. We did a website for her over a year ago. Her business has grown tremendously. She never got any leads or business from her website, and now she just got her biggest client ever, and it came from the website because the client was so impressed with what he saw on her website that he reached out to her, and instead of all the other options that were available. So there's a lot of benefits to getting a professional website design. So if you've had a DIY website, as your core website for your business, you built it yourself, or you had a friend do it, and now business is better, but you need to take your website to the next level, that's when you should reach out to talk to us, okay? So why choose us, NH Strategic Marketing? What we do is we focus on return on investment with the consulting and the work that we do for our clients. We offer high quality web design, proven high converting websites. We do websites built for search engine optimization. My core belief is that your website shouldn't just be this pretty thing that you built yourself and that no one ever sees, you got to attract the right people to it, okay? And if you build the website the right way and you do the work that needs to happen from a search engine optimization standpoint, then you actually have a shot at ranking and showing up in Google, okay? And we offer custom content packages with our super site website design. So we know how to write, the content that Google needs to understand what your website's about so they can help the clients that you want to inevitably attract, okay? So if you'd like to learn more, you'd like to have a conversation, I invite you to book a time to chat with me. You just go to nhstrategicmarketing.com/Kyle. You can book a call right to my calendar or a Zoom meeting. We can have a conversation, take a look at what your current site's ranking for, how it's working for you, and what kind of things we might be able to do to pop that up to the next level. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this. If you got some value out of this, hit the like button, comment, share, all that good social stuff that we'd love to see. Thanks again for watching, and hope to be talking to you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.